Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need an assortment of whatever beads you have on hand, some string, scissors, and a lighter. And I just wanted to let you guys know what I think candy is. It might be different for you, but the main concept is it's a bracelet or necklace that you trade as a gift at a rave. So you can add charms to candy, you can add letter beads, buttons, any cute little bead that you find you can put on candy. Candy is an easy way to make new friends, and also it's crossed over to other scenes, so it's not only in the rave scene now, which I think is awesome. Like, the more people out there spreading the love, the better. So today we're just going to do some singles. I have this little Mickey head I'm going to use. And I think my pattern's just going to be rainbow because I'm in love with rainbow. It's just bright. And I don't have to choose one color. I can use them all. But I would like to know what you guys think. Like, what is candy to you? I think I'm going to add one of these too. Maybe two. And one of these. That should be big enough. Maybe not. But the easiest way to start a little single is if you find a charm to put in the middle, or if you use letter beads. So I made this little single, and now I'm ready to make a new friend. Okay, I think I'm going to make another one. So this one's going to say EDC, and I have this little flower bead. And I also have these owls that I thought would be cute on there. So I'm going to start by putting the EDC on there. And one of these, my flower. And some pony beads. Got these at Hobby Lobby. I think they're cute. But most of these beads in this box I've had for a long time. But I mean, yeah, you can add any kind of beads that you want. to your candy. Okay, I'm going to tie that. That's what it looks like. That's cute. Okay, so we did one with a charm and then one with some letter beads. I hope that gives you some ideas. And if you didn't know what candy was, now you might have some insight. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.